phenomenal, it's eye-opening, and it's life-changing.
It's just incredible.
I could never imagine that I would learn so much in one day.
It's been a phenomenal experience.
Absolutely priceless.
He's telling it like it is.
It really truly is a Master Trader seminar.
You know, I can safely say that this is the best.
This presentation was just amazing.
It's like learning how to play golf standing side by side with Phil Mickelson.
If I were to use an analogy, it would be like going to Cooperstown and going to the Hall of Fame and taking, batting lessons from Ty Cobb or Ted Williams or something. I mean, these guys are the best in the business.
I mean, he's not leaving out. It's not like, oh, okay, well, next seminar you can learn this.
I think it's amazing that people are traveling from Shanghai, China, all over the world, literally, to hear him talk. I mean, that says a lot about the presenter.
Mark covers it all. It's A to Z. There is no stone that is left unturned in terms of learning how to be a better trader.
And I wish I would have done it before, and I will probably do it again.
So this is not a one and done. This is going to be an annual event for me.